How to open real account on MetaTrader 5. Now, if you open the website on MetaTrader5.com and you go to the web terminal, and when you're on the web terminal, the only option you have is to open a demo account. But you have been trying to create a real account instead of a demo account. Now, for this, you actually have to download the application version. Now, if you're on mobile, you're already using the application, that's perfectly fine. But if you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux, download the MetaTrader 5 application first. And only after you've downloaded the app, this is the interface you will see. At the very top left hand side, you can see the file option. Just navigate to it, and over there you'll find an option that says open an account. So just click on open an account button. Over here you will see this type of interface. Just hit the next button right here. You can simply choose to add it. Now again, by default it will select open a demo account, but we will select open a real account for live trading. So only once you've selected open a real account for live trading, on the next page you have to verify a couple of identity like your first name, second name, your date of birth, your email, your phone number, as well as a server where you want to trade, the account type that you want to trade on, your deposit, how much you want to deposit, and agree to the terms and conditions. Hit the next button and your account will be successfully created. This way you can create a real account on MetaTrader 5. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.